Hello, the internet. I'm Merz, and it's time for Rudiments. Knowing your rudiments is like being a basketball player knowing how to do a layup, or being an astrophysicist knowing the second law of thermodynamics. Same kind of thing. To learn your rudiments the proper way requires a lot of time and dedication. I'll put some links in the description and at the end of this video to some great tutorials. Like Vic Firth has a cool one by John Wooton. You can look at all the rudiments, learn them, have a lesson on each of them. It's great, and they know the proper way of doing it, so I'm not going to waste my time doing that. I'm going to show you a band hack so that you can learn your rudiments right away without spending so much time on them. Since we live in the modern age, why are we still beating drums with sticks? What are we, cavemen or something? Nah, we don't need to do that. We need to use science, engineering, and technology to hack this rudiment. Check it out. Okay, let's see if the band hack works.
The Drum Roller 3000!